how are you all? Welcome to the Vedantu SSLC and I'm your master teacher Rithika Mam. So, ivattu yav questions ana martidevalla avella questions ana full concentrate ಮಾಡಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿ because if you people will not listen today's class then you might miss out some most important repeated questions which has come to your exams every year and every time. Clear? So we'll do all those questions today without fail and I want your support for all the questions which we are going to do it. Clear everyone? Done? Good evening, Bhanupriya. Bhanupriya, I never saw you in the class actually. You are the new students, Amma? Hi. Good evening, everyone. Then, I think many of the students have not come back from their schools. Many of the students have not come back from their schools, I guess so. Oh, you have come from 2 days. Okay, because I have not seen your name. Name hesaru nodalilla nanu ivattu nodde. Very good. That's very nice. You are liking the classes, Amma? Okay, that's good. Then let's start with the class. Make sure you people will be active in the chat box so that we can discuss a lot of questions also. Okay. Hi Rupa, Guru, Prasad. Hi. It's too good. Thank you so much. Hope so it will be useful for you people for the preparation of your SSLC exams. And I had actually done one video for the 9th standard. So 9th standard one video madidene. If in case your juniors are there who are there in the schools or if you people have any group of that. So WhatsApp nalli friends group iruttalla. So adralli groups idre ellaru nim friends helbodu. You people can go and inform your students also, the juniors also. The 9th classes are also going to start from the Vedantu SSLC. So they can come and watch those sessions. Okay. Done? Hi Shantavir Kangi. Okay then, let's start with the class. So, ivattin class nalli first of all I ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. So, we will try to take the class till 6:37 o'clock. Okay. And whichever the questions I am going to discuss with you people today are, like chapter wise ana questions ana discuss ಮಾಡೋಣ. As you people know, chemistry ದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ questions ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ. Has we done the yesterday's class as of physics? So, Monday ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ actually physics class Monday ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, right? So, Monday class ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನ್ class ನಲ್ಲಿ discuss ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ actually ನಾವು we had discussed of lot of questions related to the electrochemistry and magnetic effects of electrical current and light chapter, right? With the concept I was trying to make you people understand it. Yaake concept jode understand ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ if people will be perfect with the concepts, it will be good for you people to answer the questions also, ಆಯ್ತಾ? So ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು same we have taken some LBA based questions. I have taken from preparatory questions also because preparatory exam first preparatory ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ questions ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಆ questions ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ and I have taken the questions from the previous year also. But previous year questions are like very less. Why? Because the portion has been changed. No, portion has been changed. There is a lot of changes which are actually happening in the government side. Because of that, no, if I take those questions, then I don't think so they might repeat or no. So we have taken most probably the percentage of the LBA is based is more. LBA based questions are actually percentage is actually more compared to the other things. Clear? So we'll do those things. So we'll do that first and then we'll see with the other things. Clear everyone? Done? Please just confirm me that you people are understanding whatever I am speaking. Tilitide nannellargu and I am audible and visible properly. No everyone, I didn't check also. Can you just confirm me, am I audible, visible properly to everyone? Audibility, visibility ella sariyagide alla? Yes, perfect. Then let's start. Done? We'll start then, right? So first we are going to do with the chapter. Which chapter will start is first. So ನಾನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನೇನು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರಿಂದ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ದಲ್ಲಿ One second, guys. Repeated questions do, ma'am. Yes, obviously I will do the repeated questions, guys, because repeated questions are like ಈಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇಂದ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ನೌ. ಒನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಗೈಸ್, ದ ಮೈಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಕ್ ಎವ್ರಿವೇರ್. ಸೊ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್, ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬಬ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ chemical reactions and equations, okay I'm discussing about chemical reactions and equation chapter inda yav tara questions bhala important role madutte, okay, which questions will actually part a very important role, and what are those topics, ಆ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬಫರಿಂಗ್. Yes, is it really buffering, guys? I don't think so it's buffering. Let me check once. Now okay na? One second, guys. Little it was buffering. Okay. Now perfect, no? Fine and fell. ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂತಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲ ಫೈನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೆಲ್ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈಗ ಈ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಇಂದ ಯಾವ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ ಅದು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ನಾನು. ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಸ್, ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇಂದ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್. ಆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇಂದ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಹೌ ಯು ನೋ, ಯಾರು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹಾಕಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. Balance. Oh yes, it is really buffering, guys. I don't know why. What is actually happening today? ಯಾಕ್ರಪ್ಪ ಬಫರಿಂಗ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಇವತ್ತು? ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಮತ್ತೆ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ಗೆ? Is it something happening to YouTube today again? Yes, I can see actually what is happening. Okay, now okay na? Okay, fine. Clear now? It's perfect, guys. ಸರಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ ಈಗ? Okay, fine it is. So ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಬಫರ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ. Okay, then chemical reactions and equations ಇಂದ fixed question ಇರುತ್ತೆ. One this that is going to be balancing the reaction. ಯಾವ್ದಿರುತ್ತೆ? Balancing the reaction. Clear everyone? So balancing the equation reaction ಅನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ 100% ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಏನು ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ you people can't even score good marks in this chapter. Okay, so first thing is you people will remember this thing. Then types of a chemical reaction. Then what you should remember, that is types of a chemical reaction. Clear? Types of chemical reaction. ಇದನ್ನ ಮರಿಬಾರ್ದು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಒಟ್ಟು ಮರಿಬಾರ್ದು ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇಂದ. ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ? ಡಿಕಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್, ಡಬಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಮರ್ತು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್. ತಿಳಿತಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ 100% ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಂದ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಿದ್ದೇ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? Yeah, you have a doubt, please ask me, Appa. What do you have doubt? Yes, perfect, Ammu. Ammu is only telling, see, Ammu is telling correct. That is next fixed question is on the rancidity and the corrosion. Okay, fixed like one example, if I tell them corrosion mele 100%, one question bidde bilete. Clear? Corrosion mele one question bidde bilete. Clear? Very good, very good. Option will come in 3 marks questions, ma'am. Options will come in the 3 marks questions. I have already shown you people the model question papers, no? Model question papers ಏನು solve ಮಾಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಯಾಕೆ model question papers ತರಾನೇ same exact copy it is going to come, okay? Exact copy. Preparatory one question paper ನಾವು already discuss ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ, right? You want to see the preparatory question paper which we have discussed it? You can just watch preparatory exam question paper ನಿಮ್ಗೆ YouTube ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ, and even I have guided you people that how to download the notes also. Clear? Everyone are downloading the notes? Download ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ notes ಅನ್ನ? Yes, options will come in the 3 marks. That is not sure, amma. Just I will tell you, okay? One second, I will confirm you people whether it is going to come or no. Okay, I will confirm you people. How many marks will come from that lesson? This lesson in the ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೀಳುತ್ತಾ? Obviously guys, ಇದನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. Okay, I will show you people how much marks is gonna come that you people already know guys. ಅದಂತೂ already ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ, right? But ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. Just give me 1 second. I will show you people only that question paper. Okay, question paper ತೋರಿಸೇ ಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾನು. Yes, what you people wanted to know first, you tell me. That is going to be 3 marks optional ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ? Okay, 3 marks ದಲ್ಲಿ optional question ಕೇಳಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. First of all, 3 marks 3 question ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ. Okay, 3 marks ಅದು ಬರೋದು 3 questions ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Concentrate properly. 3 marks ka questions will only come 3. Clear? So 3 marks questions will only come 3. Clear everyone? So ಆ 3 questions ಅಲ್ಲಿ options ಏನು ಇರಲ್ಲ. You people need to solve all the 3 questions. Okay, ಎಲ್ಲ questions ಅನ್ನು solve ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Done? Done everyone? ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಓದ್ತಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ವೈಸು? ಹಾಯ್ ಶಾಂತವೀರ್ಕಾಗಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಮ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಆರ್ ವಾಟ್? ಈಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದು ಹಾಯ್ ಅಂತಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ನೀನು. Yes, that is going to be fixed. That is going to be fixed. Balancing the chemical reaction from this chapter is completely fixed. Adanantu full perfect ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು. And fixed questions it will be, that is balancing the chemical equation. ಮತ್ತೆ if you people will be perfect with the types of a chemical reaction, then that will be well and fine. Why? Because they will 100% surely ask the questions from the types of a chemical reaction. Like example in MCQs, most probably MCQ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ತರ questions ಅನ್ನ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, like they have asked you, okay, equation ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆ equation whether it is going to be a combination reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement, decomposition reaction, ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ ಅದು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಥರ MCQ type of questions ಅನ್ನು ಕೇಳಬಹುದು, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ questions. So make sure you people will be perfect with those things also. Okay, ma'am, you can explain mission 40. What is mission 40? From where the first question is an example for a chemical change among the following is. So such type, that only I was telling you people, related to the types of chemical reaction, fixed one question will come. That is what MCQ1 they are asking it. That is an example for a chemical change among the following is. First is dissolving salt in a water, tearing of a paper, rusting of a iron, and boiling of a water. Come on, try it. Everyone need to answer these questions. Come on. Option C is the correct answer. Only one student is answering. Very good. Option C is the correct answer. See, the example for a chemical change among the following. What is the meaning of a chemical change? Why is the chemical change is happening there? If there is a change in the product, means few reactants will react together to form a product, that is actually called as a chemical change, right? So all of you are telling option C. Option C is the correct answer anta ellaru heltidena. Let us check it out whether it is correct or no. That is correct. That is rusting of iron. That is, rusting produces a new substances, that is iron oxide is going to be produced, and hence because of that there is a chemical change which is going to happen. There is a chemical change which is going to happen. Clear? Next question. This is not a property of a chemical reaction among the following. This is not a property of a chemical reaction. Chemical reaction, there is no property among the following. First one is what? Change in the color, release of a heat, change in the shape, release of a gas. Come on. Which option will be the correct answer? Option D. Why, Ammo? Read the question properly. Everyone need to read the question properly. Read the question properly, everyone. And then you people need to answer. Everyone are telling C, C, C. Is it correct? Is it correct? From where? I mean, the questions are going to come from your textbooks only. Usually, they can take any of the chemical reactions. Just they will tell you that balance that reaction. Okay, unbalanced reaction or kodtare, neen adana balance ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, you just need to balance it. ಯಾವ ತರ ಬೇಕಾದ questions ಅನ್ನ include ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಅವರು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Done? Okay, option C you people are telling, let us check it. That is option C, change in the color. So who had told Ammu, you had told to answer wrong. Why it is wrong, I will tell you. See, in ಹೇಳಿದಾರೆ property of a chemical reaction among the following ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Means whether it is happening a change in a color ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನೋ, release of a heat ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನೋ, change in a shape ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನೋ, and release of the gas ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Means what? Chemical reaction ಆಗಬೇಕಪ್ಪ. Shape change ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, change in a shape is actually a physical change but not a chemical reaction. It's not a chemical reaction. Clear, everyone? Try out this now. Try out this question. Come on, come on. This type of a questions only. See, I was telling you people, ide tara questions ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. ನಾನು actually ಇದೇ ತರ questions ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. They will give the equation. See, equation ಅನ್ನು provide ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ and they will tell you, they will ask ಆ types of a chemical reaction ದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ ಈ equation ಏನು indicate ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Okay. First is about combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction and double displacement reaction. Come on. Try, everyone. Which is the correct answer? Fe2O3 plus 2Ai is going to give us Al2O3 and 2Fe. 2Fe. Come on, try, try, try. Option C is the correct answer for this also. Okay. Why one student is telling option A? Why? Reason kodi appa. Reason kodi. That is Wajha Tunsia. Okay, I hope so I am pronouncing your name properly. Tell me, come on, tell me that whether. Why option A is correct? Why option A is combination? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದಪ್ಪ. Types of chemical reaction ದಲ್ಲಿ combination reaction, decomposition ಅವದೆಲ್ಲ perfect ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Option C will be the correct answer. That is displacement reaction. Displacement reaction andre ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? What is the meaning of a displacement reaction? That is aluminum displaces the iron from the iron oxide. Means it's changing. ಯಾವ್ದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ reactivity ಇದೆಲ್ಲ change ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಕರೀತಾರೆ? Displacement reaction ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. So option C will be the correct answer. ಏನು option correct ಇರುತ್ತೆ? Option C will be the correct answer. Clear, everyone? Yes, perfect, Pritham. That is correct. That is correct. Okay, who has done it wrong? Please make sure you are going to concentrate on the next question properly and then answer it. Clear? Done? Okay, let's go to the next question now. A group of reactants among the following which react with each other to exchange the ions and forms the precipitate is. Which will form the precipitate? Which is going to form the precipitate? Come on. Come on now, try this question everyone. Which will form the precipitate? That is BaCl2, Na and Na2SO4, then Al2O3 and HCl, NaOH and H2SO4 and Na2O and CO2. Na2O and CO2. Come on, try this. Option A is the correct answer. Okay, Shrima has told. Preetham, Bhanupriya, very good. Come on, option A. Reason kodbekappa. Reason kodbeku. Why option A is correct? Why option A is correct? Preetham, Bhanupriya, everyone needs to give me the reason. Why the BaCl2 and NO2SO4 is going to be the correct option? Why it will be the correct option? Come on, tell me, try it. ಏನ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ why option A is correct answer why because BaCl2 and Na2SO4 exchange of the ions will produce a insoluble BaSO4 precipitate. Insoluble BaSO4 precipitate produce martide. It's producing that. For that purpose, option A, that is BaCl2 and Na2SO4 is going to be the correct answer. Clear everyone? Done. They forms a salt. Very good, Bhanupriya. Perfect. Like that, only concentrate on the class properly till the end of the class. Okay. Next question, try the evolution of an oxygen and hydrogen. Okay. Evolution means it's releasing oxygen and hydrogen. ಏನು release ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ? Oxygen ಮತ್ತು hydrogen ಅನ್ನ release ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ, and that gases is going to be a electrolysis of a water is. Okay. Come on, tell me, try it now. In the electrolysis of a water is, that is double displacement reaction, exothermic reaction, the displacement reaction and decomposition reaction. Option B is the correct answer. Let's see. So keep a target. Today we are going to reach 50 likes before I end the class. Make sure everyone are coming and attending the class. Then please make sure to mark up your attendance by hitting the like button. If you people will click it, then only you people have thought like you have come to the class. School nalli kodtaralla attendance same ade thara. Rithika Mamgu gottagಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಬಂದ್ರಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. B, D. Option which is the correct answer? B, D. Everyone are getting confused. They have told evolution of an oxygen and hydrogen gas. ಏನು ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ? O2 and H2 gas ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. So which option will be correct? Option D is the correct answer. Decomposition reaction. Why, Vajad? You are doing so much of mistakes. This is the second mistake you are doing. Don't repeat the mistakes. Read the question properly. Try to understand it. Then only you can recognize the perfect option. Theta. So one easy trick I'll teach you people how to solve actually the MCQs. Okay. MCQ ಯಾವ ತರ easy ಆಗಿ understand ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Decomposition reaction because water breaks down into the simpler substances. So water whatever is there, it will break down into the simpler substances. Now wow, you people need to remember easy way to solve the MCQs. Okay. Hey ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? First you people will read the question, right? So ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ which will release O2 and H2 ಅದಕ್ಕೆ evolution of an H2 or O2 in the electrolysis of a water. ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು electrolyze ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ water ನ ಅವಾಗ ಇದು ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು, ರೈಟ್? ಈಗ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಗೆ 4 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು what is actually happening in double displacement reaction ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. What is actually happening in the exothermic reaction? Exothermic reaction means what? It is actually just the release of a heat. It's not related to this question, right? So we are going to cancel that question. Okay, ಈ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೇವೆ. Now one question is done 50-50. कौन बनेगा करोड़पति ಅಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ? You people have studied ಯಾರು कौन बनेगा करोड़पति ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Okay, no problem, Vajid. Next question you need to tell me the correct answer. Okay, you need to tell me next question correct answer. Done? You are getting confused? No problem. Read the question, take your time and then you try to answer. Okay, no problem. Okay, you have seen कौन बनेगा करोड़पति. ಯಾರು ನೋಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. कौन बनेगा करोड़पति ಯಾರು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Everyone have seen the Kaun Banega Crorepati. Then I'll tell you one thing, what is actually happening in the Kaun Banega Crorepati. Adralli ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, 50-50 ಒಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಸಮ್ ಒನ್, ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇ, ಲೈಕ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ, ಯಾವ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತಿಳ್ಕೊತಾರೆ, ರೈಟ್. Biology importance question. Yes, Baswasa is doing already biology important questions very soon to you people. Okay. Yes, that's what I was trying to tell you. 50-50 option. So now MCQ dalli 50-50 option anna apply madona. So that it will be very easy for you to understand the question also. Okay. Yav tara apply madbodu andre, ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು exothermic reaction ಬರಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. Why? Because it is releasing the heat. It's none of our business here. Okay, none of our business, right? So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ exothermic reaction ಅನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದು ಬಗೆಯೋಣ, ಆಯ್ತಾ. Now it is left out with 3 reactions. Okay, which are that? Double displacement reaction and decomposition reaction. Now displacement reaction means actually is what? Displacement reaction andre yav ಜಾಸ್ತಿ high means ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಯಾವುದು capacity ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಲೋವರ್ ಒಂದಿಂದ, who is more metallic ಅದರಿಂದ ಲೋವರ್ ದಿಂದ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಏನಾದರೂ ನೆಸೆಸಿಟಿ ಇದೆನಾ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? ನೋ. Where we are replacing something? No, we are not replacing anything. They have told that there is an evolution. There is an evolution of an O2 and H2 gas. That's it. So what we are going to do? We are going to cancel this also. Now, like Amitabh Bachchan, ನಾನು ಅಮಿತಾಬ್ ಬಚ್ಚನ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಈಗ. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ಅಮಿತಾಬ್ ಬಚ್ಚನ್ ರೈಟ್ ನಾ ಐ ಆಮ್. ಸೊ ಅದು ಅಮಿತಾಬ್ ಬಚ್ಚನ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ 50-50 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸನ್ನು ಡುಮ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತು. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಝುಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಝುಕ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು 2 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡೋದು. ಡನ್ನ. ಈಗ 2 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಉಳಿತಪ್ಪ. ಓಕೆ, 2 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ನಾವು. ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ದಸ್ 2 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್? ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಂದು ಉಳಿದಿದೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಕಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಉಳಿದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ವಿಚ್ ಮೈಟ್ ಬಿ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಈ ಥರ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡೈಲಿ ಲೈಫ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ MCQs and try to solve those questions in that way. It will really help you people. Try it out. Okay, next question ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಥರ. ಓಕೆ, ಥಿಂಕ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಕಾನ್ ಬನೇಗ ಕರೋರ್ಪತಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. Obviously ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೇನು ಕೊಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ and I am just giving you people the one challenge right now. Okay, what is that challenge? That is this question you people need to solve it by 50-50 process. Okay, tomorrow is your science paper. Which exam appa? Science tomorrow. Who has science paper tomorrow? For what purpose? So the chemical reaction that takes place when the reactants exchange their ions mutually. ಯಾವಾಗ ions mutually exchange ಆಗ್ತವೆ ಅವಾಗ ಯಾವ reaction ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? Come on, try. Double displacement reaction, dissociation reaction and combination reaction. So 2 options are actually been okay. 2 options are repeated. Just think like only 3 options are there and try to answer this. Come on. Ions are going to change. Okay. Preparatory exam, why tomorrow? Everyone have a preparatory exam from 27, right? From 27 you people have a preparatory exams, right? Come on, who will answer this question? Everyone is saying A. That is going to be double displacement reaction. Yes, that is double displacement reaction because there is double displacement reaction under A. No, there will be exchange of the ions, right? So there is a exchange of ions which is happening here and between the reactants. From reactant ಇಂದ product ಲೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ions change ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? ಡಬಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? ಡನ್. Perfect. Next question try ಮಾಡಿ ಈಗ ನೋಡೋಣ. This is very important question guys. This has been repeated a lot of times also. In 2025 March 2025 also one question repeat ಆಗಿದೆ. Please make sure to answer this question properly everyone. Complete between 5:50 p.m. ma'am. Complete between. What should I complete? In this reaction the reactants that undergoes oxidation and reduction. I don't know why it is getting buffering today. Okay, now it's fine guys. Is it fine now? Perfect. Okay, cool. Done. Okay, try this question now, everyone. B. Hi. Hi, Abhay. Abhay, from that time you are telling hi, bye. I'm your teacher, not friend. Bye, hi, you to do. Option B will be the correct answer. Let's check it out. The option which will be the correct answer. The answer will be option B, H2 and CuO. That is going to be H2 is getting oxidized and CuO is getting reduced. H2 ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ oxidize ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ and CuO is going to be reduced. CuO is going to be reduced. Clear? That is hydrogen actually gains the oxygen, that is oxidation is happening, and copper oxide loses the oxygen. So for that purpose reduction is happening. It is actually loses the oxygen, for that purpose it's going to reduction. Reduction is happening. So for that purpose you should have an idea about definitions of oxidation and reduction. So oxidation andre enu fast agi ellaru type ಮಾಡಿ ನನಗೆ chat box ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. Oxidation andre enu? There is a removal of oxygen or a increase of a hydrogen. What is that? Next question. Yes, next question I will give it. First you people are going to tell me, that what is the meaning of an oxidation? Gain of oxygen? Perfect. There is a gain of oxygen and a loss of a hydrogen. Now tell me what is the meaning of a reduction? Reduction andre eno? First, addition of an oxygen. What is addition of an oxygen and removal of a hydrogen? Perfect. That is called as an oxidation. What is reduction? Removal of an oxygen. Perfect. So what is the reduction? Removal of an oxygen and addition of an hydrogen. Addition of an hydrogen and then there is a removal of oxygen. That is actually called as what? That is called as a reduction. Clear everyone? Done? Perfect. So now let's go for the next question. Try out this. Silver nitrate turns into the grey color in the presence of a sunlight because silver nitrate turns into the grey color. It will turn into the grey color in the presence of a sunlight because. Hello ma'am, now visible. Ma'am, it is okay now. Okay, perfect. So sorry guys, I don't know why it is getting buffering today so much. So whenever it is getting buffering, just inform me once, okay? I don't know why it is happening like this today again. So now come on, try this answer. Silver nitrate turns into the grey color in the presence of a sunlight. So silver nitrate ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is changing into the grey color. ಎದರಲ್ಲಿ change ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ? Grey color ದಲ್ಲಿ change ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. So that in the presence of sunlight presence ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅದು ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. What will be the correct option? Whether it is a silver chloride decomposition from the silver, or silver chloride decomposes to form the chlorine, or silver chloride undergoes the oxidation, whether it is going to the oxidation, or silver chloride undergoes the reduction. Come on, try this. Option C is the correct answer. Option C. Okay, that option D is the correct answer. That is going to be reduction. Why? Because AgCl is going to decompose to form a silver metal. It is going to decompose to form a silver metal. So sorry guys, you people have answered it wrong. today. No problem. You can understand this question properly. This question also has repeated a lot of times. Make sure it's little bit difficult type of a question. This is a little bit difficult type of a questions. I think so in your textbook if this sentence has been explained, then also yes, I will explain this question. Silver nitrate enagidella, it will turn into the grey in color. Yavag turn agutte, yavaga sunlight presence irutte. When it has a sunlight presence, that time silver nitrate will convert. Chemical change is happening there. Okay, there is a chemical change what is happening, that is converting the silver nitrate in the presence of sunlight. It is converting into the grey in color, means it is getting silver nitrate only, just color change ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. It's just physical, it is getting, appearance is getting changed. Okay, ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ನೀವು ಮನೇಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಫುಲ್ ಮನೇಲಿ ದಿನ ಒಂದು ತಿಂಗಳು ಮನೇಲಿ ಇರ್ತೀರ, ಅದಾದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಬಿಸಿಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕರ್ಕ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಸನ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ಡ್, ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಸನ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ, option A is the correct answer. Silver chloride decomposes to form the silver. Silver chloride decomposes to form the chloride. Silver chloride undergoes the oxidation and silver chloride undergoes the reduction. One second guys. ಏನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇನೆ ನಾನು? Reduction. Oh, so sorry guys, so sorry. I think I have added up something different only here. Okay. Which question it is coming guys? Okay, one second guys, one second. Remote is working ulta pulta. Ide question toside alla na nimge. This question only I have shown it to you people, right? Clear aita? Bhanupriya, A is the correct. A is the correct. Yes, you are getting confused here. Silver chloride decomposes to form silver. I know. Silver chloride decompose agutte silver form aglikke, but they have asked the question what it is, turns into the grey in color in the presence of sunlight. Because why? Because silver chloride will undergo the reduction process. It is getting a reduction, it is getting reduced. For that purpose only, it's converting silver nitrate into the grey in color. Clear everyone? Don't worry. Abhi, you're making me mad now. Voice is not able to hear. Okay. One second, guys. In LB it is showing A answer, then please correct it appa. You people need to get it corrected. I'm audible properly now? Yes, it's audible guys. Perfectly it's audible, I guess so. Buffering, yeah, I know guys. I don't know why it is buffering today. ಈ ಕೇಳಿಸಿದೆನಾ? ಕೇಳಿಸಿದೆ ಅಂಡ್ರೋ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ? ನಾನಂತೂ ಮೈಕು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. I don't know you're audible properly or no. Ma'am, this question is LBA based, correct option is A. Please change that, Amma. Please change that. Arun Teli. Okay, Abhi ma'am, you have long-term memory. Yes, I have long-term memory, Abhi. Don't tease me, Abhi. I will tease you very badly and afterwards you will not come to class only, see. Yes, no guys? I tease for the students very nicely, no, compared to the Abhi. Am I correct or no? Sound is not clear, ah? My God, why we are facing so much of problems today? Your name is Arpita. Okay, hi Arpita. ಕೇಳಿಸಿದೆ ಅಂಡ್ರೋ ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ? ಈಗ audibility ಇದೆನಾ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ? Audible, mic checking. Abhi, Anna, don't do this. Yes, he is teasing me, no? If Abhi will tease me, I am going to tease for Abhi so badly, he will run only from the class. Ma'am, please ma'am, don't do this ma'am, anta he will tell. Yes, no, Abhi? See, Abhi went somewhere. No, ma'am. Vaja is telling why you are supporting him. You are not going to support me. You will not support me. Told appa, option D will be the correct answer. Okay? Done? Try out this question, everyone. Okay. The ratio of the hydrogen and oxygen gases released in the electrolysis of the water is, okay. What is the ratio of a hydrogen and oxygen? Matte neernalli H2O dalli ratio enide. What is the ratio of a hydrogen and oxygen? Come on. Justice for ma'am. Yes, Preetham. Very good. I need a justice for me now. No, ma'am, I will not run, but I can exit. Oh, you can't run, but you exit. What a knowledgeable person. Very good, Abhi. Use this brain only in your exams. I'll tell you, surely you will score good marks in your SSLC exams. Okay? Done. Option C will be the correct answer. C. Ratio 2:1. Hydrogen is actually having a 2 and oxygen is going to have a 1. Perfect, everyone. That will be option C will be the correct answer. Water contains twice hydrogen compared to the oxygen. Clear? You have already scored, Abhi. Okay, what is your marks in all the subjects? I can't help, guys. We need to do something and fix it, I guess so. So sorry guys, it's buffering. Please adjust a little bit. I don't know why it is happening like this. The conversion of a vegetable waste into the compost is an example for a reduction reaction, exothermic reaction, endothermic reaction and redox reaction. Come on. Come on, try to answer this question. Before you people answer me the questions, come on, everyone needs to tell me that if you have received. See, Preetham is teasing you now only. Preetham, it's my work not to tease him. Why you are teasing him? I will tease him. Don't tease Preetham. I will tease for Abhi. Hi Abhi, Ravan Siddhappa. I am there in the class, not Abhi is there in the class. You should tell me hi Rithika Mam, not Abhi. Oh, namaskara. See. Your percentage 99.84%. Okay, Abhi, I'll do one thing. I'll come to your home only and check your percentage now. Which is your school? Tell me. Very good, Ravina Siddhappa. First tell me hi, afterwards tell your friends hi. Okay, you have come to class, my class. Then you should tell Rithika ma'am ko first hi, not for all. Hi, Bindusri. Oh, Bindusri. We have Banu Priya 1 and Bindusri 1. I got confused now. Done. Okay, now try to answer this question, everyone. First, the conversion of a vegetable waste into the compost is an example for, is it for the reduction reaction or exothermic reaction, endothermic reaction or redox reaction? Which option will be correct? That is exothermic reaction. Why? Because heat is released during the decomposition. Heat is released actually during the heat. Obviously, heat release ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೇನೆ ಅದು waste convert ಆಗೋದು. Okay, it's very simple. Direct question it is. Okay, no necessary to think too much. Okay, next question. The gas released at a cathode in the electrolysis of a water is. Which gas has been released at the cathode? Cathode dalli yav gas release ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ in the electrolysis of water. ಯಾವಾಗ electrolysis of water ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, that time which gas will be released? So option A is oxygen, hydrogen, chlorine, nitrogen. Come on, try these questions. Hydrogen. Abhi is telling hydrogen. Let's see whether he is correct or no. Option B is the correct answer. Yes, perfect. That is hydrogen. Reduction occurs at the cathode, which is going to produce the H2 gas. In produce madutte, it is going to produce the H2 gas there. Clear, everyone? So whenever the gas is released at the cathode jagdali avagadaru gas release adre, that also when it is electrolyzing with the hydrogen. Sorry, it is getting hydrolyzed with the water. H2O jindava ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. If in case H2O jode adre, what is going to release? H2 gas is going to get released. Clear, everyone? Done? Okay, try out this question, everyone. Try this question, everyone. Come on. Ma'am, you don't believe me. Can I keep DP of my mark sheet of in percentage? Not necessary, Abhi. You give me your address only. You give me your address only. I'll come to your home only. From where you are, I'll come to your home only and we'll do video. No, that you have scored so much of marks. What do you say? Pritham is telling not to do that. Why, Pritham? You're getting afraid of him? Don't worry. I'm there, no? Gulbarga. No problem. I'll come to Gulbarga. You tell me fast. Come on, Abhi. You need to now. You send me my address only. You send me your address only. I'll come to your home and I'll come and I'll check your marks cards. And I want to see that how much you're going to score in the coming March 18th of exam. Okay? Karnataka, yes, obviously. Gulbarga andre Karnataka. Yellow hoktana. Gujarat hoktana. No, ma'am, I will not consider my preparatory marks. You will not consider your preparatory marks. What is the meaning of that? Ma'am, start with the 2 marks questions. Yes, I will start with the 2 marks questions, Amma. I wanna aim direct to the board exams now. Yes, I'm waiting for you people to score good marks in your coming preparatory exams. Yaar top ಆಗ್ತಾರಂತ ನೋಡೋದಿದೆ ನನಗೆ. Okay? So identify the chemical equation in which the chemical reaction is going to take place in the following. First option they have asked is FeSO4 plus Pb is going to give us PbSO4 plus Av. They have told the chemical reaction which is taking place. ಯಾವುದು equation ದಲ್ಲಿ chemical reaction, chemical equation ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Option B ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ZnSO4 plus Fe which will give us FeSO4 plus Zn and 2AgNO3 plus Cu which is going to give us Cu which is going to give us CuNO3 2 plus Ag and PbCl2 plus Cu that is going to give us CuCl2 plus Pb. CuCl2 plus Bb. Option D, option C or option D? Ma'am, when will this class end? Once I end the class, that time it will end up. Just now I started, still we not even finished one chapter. We still didn't finish one chapter also. Option D will be the correct answer you are telling. PbCl2 plus Cu which is going to give us CuCl2 plus Pb. Okay, that is going to be a wrong option. That is option A will be the correct answer. That is FeSO4 plus Pb is going to give us PbSO4 plus Fe. Why? Because lead is more reactive compared to the iron. Done. Lead is more reactive compared to the iron. No problem, guys. Next question try ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. This will be the last question. After that, we are going to go for the 2 marks questions. ಇದಾದ ತಕ್ಷಣ 2 marks questions ಗನ ಹೋಗೋಣ. We'll go for the 2 marks questions after this. Done. When dilute hydrochloric acid is added to the iron fillings. So, yavaga HCl, dilute hydrochloric acid. Dilute hydrochloric acid, edral add ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, they are going to add in the iron fillings. edral add ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, iron fillings ನಲ್ಲಿ add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, what is the product which we are going to get? What is the product which we are going to get? Come on. Come on. Hydrogen gas and the iron chloride are being produced, or chloride gas and ferric hydroxide are being produced. No reaction is going to take place. Ferrous salt and water are going to be produced. HCl and plus Fe, what is going to be producing? No reaction is produced, Pritham is telling. Yes, that is going to be C. This is a metal. And this is the acid. This is the acid, not a base. So, always remember, if any case, anywhere OH is present. Akasmat yavudadru reaction dalli, compound dalli OH idre, you can consider that thing as a base. ಅದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, we can consider that thing as a base. Clear? So, ಅದರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ which option will be correct? Option A is the correct. That is metal plus acid is going to form as a salt plus hydrogen. So, hydrogen gas produce ಮತ್ತೆ they will produce the iron chloride. Iron chloride ಅನ್ನ produce ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Clear everyone? Iron chloride ಅನ್ನ produce ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Iron chloride FeCl plus H2 has a gas. Done everyone? Clear? Ma'am, I have a doubt on electricity chapter. Can I ask? Surely, Abhi, you can ask me the doubt. I'll clarify it once I'm done. Okay? Try out. This one last question I'm telling you. The metal that displaces the copper from copper sulfate. This is also important. Okay? So, that's salvagi. The metal that displaces. Yav displace madutte copper from from copper sulfate. Copper from copper sulfate ಎದರಲ್ಲಿ displace ಮಾಡುತ್ತದು. First option is gold, silver, copper and iron. Come on, try everyone. Copper, C. Abhi, tell what was actually your question? I didn't see it actually. One second, guys. Whom to see? Have one give the right answer. D. Yes, iron. That is, iron is a more reactive than the copper for that purpose. Clear, everyone? Done now? Now let's move to the 2 marks questions now. What is a chemical reaction? Chemical reaction andre enappa? Chemical reaction which is going to be process in which the new substances are going to be formed from the reacting the substances. It means what? There should be a new product formed. Ig togoli a chemical reaction. Clear, everyone? Chemical reaction andre enappa? Yavag new products anna produce ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ chemical reaction ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Clear? Done? Yes, Ammu, I will mark the star which questions are important. Actually, at the Ammu, I have actually starting naline class start ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ಯಾವ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಆ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇಂದ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆನಲ್ಲ ಆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ನಲ್ಲಿನೇ ಕುಂತು ಕೇಳಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? ತಿಳಿತಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ? Ma'am, buffering again. Oh my god, guys. I'm buffering. No problem. What to do? In chemistry class, sometimes buffering happens. Okay. Next question. What is a chemical equation? Chemical equation andre enappa? Very simple questions these are. That is the chemical equation is the symbolic representation of a chemical reaction using the chemical symbols and the formulas. Using chemical symbols and the formulas is actually called as a chemical equation. Adakke enanta karitare? Chemical equation anta keltare. Clear? Yes, Ammu. You have any doubt, Amma? Okay, Abhi has asked the doubt. Ma'am, it's not like for one resistor I am passing different. Resistivity different ide. One is 2 ohm, one more resistor is R1 is going to be 2 ohm, R2 is going to be 3 ohm, R4 is going to be 4 ohm. It depends, okay. ನೀವು ಆ ಮೂರುದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತದು. It is not going to depend on the current, okay. So equal of a resistor differ from each other. For example, take 3 resistance in series R. Yes, I have taken series R only to 3 definitions, okay. Done. Esterification now. You people have, by the way, in chapter esterification? One second, guys. Did I miss something, alright? You people have esterification? Let me check. Is there in the class 10th? You have a esterification reaction. Oh, carbon and its compounds ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು? I was thinking like chemical reactions and equation ದಲ್ಲಿ esterification ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತಂತ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ ನಾನು. Okay. Oh, nothing. Esterification is very easy. Acid will go and react with alcohol. No, that time esterification. It will produce ester and ores from each other. Then how will your current has the same? That's what I said you, appa. 2 ohm, 3 ohm. Now the current flows more through the first resistor. It's not like that the current is going to pass from the series resistance R1, R2 and R3. Abhi, it's like depends. So resistivity different is right? Depends on that. Ig nodu, nin capacity eshtiде iga? Nin capacity ig tilukoli neenu. Abhi is there and one more who Sanket is there, you think? Abhi, Sanket, Ammu and these 3 resistors are there, okay? Now all 3 resistors which are there, Ammu will eat only 2 chapatis and afterwards Abhi will, you can eat 3 chapatis and then Sanket Irani will eat actually 4 chapatis. Okay, now this has happened. Now I am applying and I chapati ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Okay, I am giving you, I am preparing food and I am giving you, ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ ನಾನು. ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿನ್ನಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಇರೋದು ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ 2, 3 ಮತ್ತು 4. ಬಟ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನೀವು ನಾನು ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? No, right. So how much ever the current is going to be passed, who can observe more, they will observe more. Who can't observe more, they won't. Basic capacity is only that much. Our resistor do ohm already ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. They have given the value of that series resistors, then it will be that much only the capacity of them to take it. Okay, done. Thank you so much appa. How can ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಅಭಿ ನಾವು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ನಾವು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅದರಿಂದ, ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್? ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಸೇಮ್ ತೊಗೋತೀಯಮ್ಮ ನೀ? ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಸೇಮ್ ತೊಗೋತಿ? ಮೂರದಕ್ಕೂ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ತೊಗೋತಿ? ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್. ಸೇ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್, ಅಮ್ಮು, ಅಭಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್, ಓಕೆ, consider properly. Okay, Ammu, Abhi and you, who is again Ammu, Abhi and one more whom Sanket Trivani. This all 3 students which you people are there. No, all are 10th standard only. ರೈಟ್, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ 10th ಏನಾದ್ಲಿ ನೀವು? ಏನೊಬ್ರು 10th ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಒಬ್ರು 10th ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಒಬ್ರು 11th ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಒಬ್ರು 9th ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? ನೋ, ರೈಟ್. ಆಲ್ ಯು 3 ಆರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 10th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ, ರೈಟ್. ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು 3 ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ, ರೈಟ್. ನೀವು 3 ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊತೇನೆ, ರೈಟ್. ನಾನೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಚಪಾತಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ರೈಟ್. ನೀನೀಗ 1 ಚಪಾತಿ ತಿಂದರೆ, ಅಮ್ಮು 1 ಚಪಾತಿ ತಿಂದರೆ, ಅಭಿದ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ 3 ಚಪಾತಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಸಂಕೇತ್ ತ್ರಿವಾಣಿದ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ 4 ಚಪಾತಿ ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ. ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಕರೆಂಟ್ ನಾನಂತೂ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ದ ಕರೆಂಟ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದಟ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೋತೀನ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ 3. ಮೈ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ 3. ಚಪಾತಿ ನಾನಂತೂ ಮಾಡೋದು 3 ಮಂದಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಬಟ್ ನೀನೆಷ್ಟು ತಗೋತೀಯ ಅದು ನಿನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ that is going to be dependent on you, not on me. Clear? Hi Priya, which lessons you are teaching? I am taking chemistry, amma. First chapter we have started, chemical reactions and equations. Okay, please tell me chemical reactions, please, about this only. I am totally confused. Okay, don't get confused, amma, no problem. Sometimes happens. Why? Because each and every student's doubt I should see, no? So for that purpose it happens sometimes. Okay, next chapter when you will teach, ma'am. Now I will teach appa. Next chapter hige kalistene, odko kalislik baralla. It's not a marathon. I am explaining you people and teaching you, so it will take time little bit. Okay, clear Abhi? Whatever I have told you, hope so it's clear, because I have invested the time in this. Then you most probably have cleared it. Next comes the what is a chemical equation? That is, chemical equation is the symbolic representation of a chemical reaction using a chemical symbols and a formulas. Chemical symbols and the formulas. Then what is my payment? Which payment, amma? You are giving me payment? Done everyone? Next. Why should the magnesium ribbon be cleaned before the burning? Yakappa magnesium ribbon anna clean ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Why? Because to remove the magnesium oxide layer. Yadakku idu use ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? To remove the magnesium oxide layer. For that purpose magnesium burns easily. Because of that magnesium is going to burn easily. Clear? Next question comes, why should chemical equation be balanced? Yakappa chemical equation yavaglu balance ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು? We know already that law of conservation of mass. What says law of conservation of mass? Energy can neither be created nor we can destroy it, right? So we can't destroy or we can't create it. For that purpose ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು reactant side ನಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ reactant ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is not called as a chemical reaction and that is not a balanced chemical equation. ಆ equation ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? Done? Because it's not obeying the law of conservation of mass. Yes, the correct appa. 1 marks and 3 marks questions. So only I did more and more 1 marks questions. Yes, perfect Preetham. Very good. Done? Next question, that is the decomposition of a vegetable matter into the compost and the respiration process are exothermic reaction. Why? So why are the composite and desperation reaction is going to occur? Consider it. Because the heat energy is released during these reactions. Heat energy is released. Why? Because it's an exothermic reaction. Very simple to understand. On exothermic reaction and endothermic reaction, one question is fixed. Exothermic andre ಏನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು. What you people will think if it is exothermic? That is heat is getting released. Heat actually release ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಅವಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಕರೀತಾರೆ? That is exothermic reaction. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ endothermic reaction ಏನು? ಈಗ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಎಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟು heat ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, that I am going to observe it. Clear? From outside I am going to observe all the heat, that is going to called as a endothermic reaction. Clear everyone? Done? Ma'am, one more question. If the magnetic fields are invisible, okay, Abhi, all are getting confused. If the magnetic fields are invisible, Abhi, I think this question I can answer you very easily. Why? Because you have already done one experiment also. That is from north to south. By using the compass only, they have conducted that electrical field. Sorry, magnetic field anna or adharinda produce madidare. It's not like they are telling that it is visible and they have drawn it. If visibility already ittandre magnetic field du avare ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ನೆಸೆಸಿಟಿ ಇತ್ತು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಟರಿ ಒಂದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು, ಹೇಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕುಂತು ಓದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Then next question, what is corrosion? That is the slow destruction of a metals due to the air, moisture or chemicals is actually called as a corrosion. So corrosion ಎದರಿಂದ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? That is a slow distraction. ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? There is a very slow distraction of a metal that is due to the air, moisture or a chemicals. It is due to the air, moisture or chemicals. That is actually called as what? Corrosion. That is actually called as what? Corrosion. Clear? How did they knew this that it is going to come? They did the experiment. Experiment they did. First they tried from south to north also. They might have tried from east to west also. ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಒಂದು ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ಗೆ ಬಂದರು ಅವರು. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ಗೆ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್, ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ನಾವು ಈಗ ನೈನ್ತ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಟಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ದಟ್ ಬೋಹರ್ಸ್ ಅಟೋಮಿಕ್ ಥಿಯರಮು, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಬೋಹರ್ಸ್ ಅಟೋಮಿಕ್ ಥಿಯರಮು, ರುದರ್ಫೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಟೋಮಿಕ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೈನ್ತ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಕೇಳಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹೂ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ದ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್, ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್, ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್? ಯಾರು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ? ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್? ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಾದರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ? Who is the father of the chemistry? Our Thomson. Everyone remember Thomson? Everyone remember Thomson? Anyone has forgotten the Thomson? Then I'll make you people remember again. Thomson is the person who actually introduced the chemistry. He has given a lot of work to the chemistry actually, and that person actually told that. No one knows him? Very bad then. Very good. So this Thomson person, what he has done is, so he has given a lots of things to us. Okay, lots of things to us. Okay, that person has already told that. He has told some failed things also. Okay, he has told some failed things also. That is atom the ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನು ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಅವನು, ರೈಟ್? ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನು ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ರುದರ್ಫೋರ್ಡ್ ಬಂದ ಹೇಳ್ದಲ್ಲ, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ, ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ದಲ್ಲ ಅವನು. ಹಿ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಫೇಲ್ಡ್. He has failed. ಆ ಫೇಲ್ ಥಿಂಗನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೇಮ್ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಪ ಅವರು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಓಕೆ, clear? They might have done the experiments, Abhi. After doing that experiments only, they got to know that it will work from north to south. Okay, clear? Done. Now next questions, iron articles are to be painted. Why we are going to paint? Why? Because to prevent it from the rusting. So always you remember that iron particles are going to completely it's going to lose. Iron particles yavaglu lose agutte andre it will get rusted very easily with the help of the moisture, with the help of the rusting. Ivelladrinda it will get rusted. So adar salvagi ad yavaglu usually we need to sit and paint them, or usually we need to keep it away from the moisture. So obviously, but sometimes what happens, iron can't be kept away from that. Simply example, if I tell you on boats and all, ships and all, it contains a lots of iron particles present in it, right? So it can't be like I can't take the boat inside the water. Then why we have created the boat, right? Boat na akasmat ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ, ಯೂಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಬೋಟ್ ನಮಗೆ, right? But also, so that the maintenance needs to be taken very properly of the iron. Now they are searching actually some good replacement for the iron, but don't know it is possible or no. Okay, future mein ಏನು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. We might get some chemicals which might replace the iron also, right? So iron metal ಅನ್ನು replace ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನಾವು. One or the other day it is going to come. Clear? Done? Hi Umesh Salma. Clear everyone with these questions? So these are the type of questions which are going to be asked from these lessons. Clear? Okay, bahut questions ana hakidene nanu. Idisi. Draw the diagram of an apparatus used for the electrolysis of a water and label the following parts. Graphite rod ಮತ್ತೆ oxygen ಅನ್ನ refer ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So they have told us to draw the diagram of electrolysis of a water. Electrolytes of a water ಅನ್ನ draw ಮಾಡಬೇಕು and label ಮಾಡಬೇಕು graphite rod ಅನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ oxygen ಅನ್ನ. This is how you are going to draw it, and you are going to mention where is the oxygen and where is going to be a graphite rod. Clear everyone? Done? ತಿಳಿತಿದೆನಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? ತಿಳಿತಿದೆನಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? Yes, no, yes, no. Be active in the chat box everyone. Ma'am, do you have list of all diagrams? Already we have done one video, Vinay, on list of all the diagrams. Please go and check that video, which is going to be provided by Baswaraj sir. So he has done one separate video only for the diagrams, okay? That which type of a diagrams are very important in the physics, chemistry and biology. You can check that and you can do it, okay? Done? Next, answer the following question, 3 marks questions, concentrate properly. Answers, that is going to be barium sulfide. First one, name the white precipitate formed barium sulfide. Ee tara questions anu keltare. This they will ask this type of questions also. Clear? And even I wanted to tell you people that where actually we are going to get the PDF, okay? Soon we are going to start up. Physics numerical problems are already done. Umesh Salma yesterday's class amma Monday class dalli madidene. Go and check it out everyone. Numericals, physics numericals already Monday madidene. Go and check that class. You will find the numerical problems there. Okay. Even I wanted to tell you people that how you actually can download the session PDF. Okay. How can you download the session PDF? I'll just guide you people that how can you actually do it. Before that, you people are going to tell me, that whether you people needs the PDFs or no. Like PDFs are the chapter wise most important questions. Why? Because from tomorrow we are going to expose series PDF. Yes, perfect everyone. That is what I am going to give you people. Means the questions which are going to be fixed come from that chapter. Those questions I am going to give you people the PDFs every time. Okay, chapter wise I am going to give those questions. From tomorrow it is going to start, and that PDFs will be only be available with the class itself, which will be there. So in that class we will be uploading it only for the 24 hours. So once, or else we will do it one thing, like we will put it in the WhatsApp group only. When WhatsApp group only we will upload it. So you already know how to join the WhatsApp channel here. Okay, how to join a WhatsApp channel to you people. So if you people need that, then what you people need to do it. I'll show you people how to join also. You can see my screen here. Everyone can see my screen here. Everyone can see my screen, okay? You people need it? How to join? Yes, I will show you people. Ill new class note didayega, right? Rithika Mam tosla onsala. Nimdu messages tosla, see, everyone have messaging it. So I am taking a class right now here, okay? This is me who is taking the class right now. Clear? So now what you people will do is you just need to go down at the description. Obviously you people can chat it properly here. Done? So you'll chat ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನೀವು proper ಆಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈಗ. Ma'am, if we read that PDF, is it enough for the preparatory 2? Yes, Neeraj. If you read that much also is more than enough. Okay? If you read that much also is more than enough. Now after going there, so in the description, like this, in the description, you are going to see the download the session PDF now. For free. You are getting it for the free completely. This session PDF will be available here. Down to that only there will be one more PDF like a assignment chapter wise. Okay. Chapter wise there will be assignment. In that questions you are going to sit and solve those questions, and in the next class I am going to discuss those questions. Tomorrow itself it will be uploaded in the evening time, and once that will be uploaded to you people, you can go and click on that PDF and you can share it with every one of your friends also, so that even they will get to know that such type of questions will be asked. Because ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರಿ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ವೈಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಒನ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ನೀವು ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ it will be really be helpful. So I am helping you people with that. Please make sure you people will be downloading this session and you people will be concentrating on those PDFs and assignments properly, so that you can score a very good marks in coming preparatory 2 exams. Okay, done. We have a 5 days now to left out for the preparatory 2 exams. Be serious everyone. Done. So here you can find the down session PDF, and most of the students were asking me like, ma'am, where to join? Do I join for the WhatsApp group? Right? ಎಲ್ಲರ ಕಡೆ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಮ್ಮನ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಕಡೆ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Just open, click on this link. Once you people will click on this link. If you people will click on this link, then done. You will directly go to the WhatsApp. You can just log in there and you can just follow that channel. You will be receiving the session PDFs and you people will be receiving the assignments, and those assignments only will be there only for 24 hours. Make sure you people will attain it properly and take the advantage of it properly. Clear? ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಅನಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ವೈಸ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ನನಗೆ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ವೈಸ್ assignments ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ please make sure to do that. Clear everyone? How to see the session PDF? Free ಆಗಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ once the class is done. The link will be uploaded here description ದಲ್ಲಿ, ಆವಾಗ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. And after that WhatsApp channel ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆದ್ರೆ all the notes you can download it freely. ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಯಾವುದು ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅವು ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ WhatsApp ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ನೀವು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Clear? Hope so. It's clear to everyone then now. What time I'm going to upload? Tell mom time when you will upload. Yes, that will be done for every class, appa, every class. Ma'am, Vaishnavi class, Vaishnavi ma'am class, Vaishnavi ma'am class, I think tomorrow it is there, guys, tomorrow it is there. Then timing will be uploaded very soon, appa. I'll tell you people when it will be uploaded. Evening at 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock it will be available. And right after that upload, after 24 hours, that PDF will be gone. So please make sure you, before that only you will click it and download it, so that we can discuss those questions in the next class. Done. Okay, clear. So let's go to the next chapter now. Let's go to the next chapter now. ತಿಳಿತಲ್ಲ ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ? ತಿಳಿತಲ್ಲ ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? Everyone perfect with this chapter right now? Let's go for the next questions now. That is acids, bases and salts. Now acids, bases and salts ದಿಂದ ಯಾವ ತರ questions ಅನ್ನ ಓದ್ಕೋಬೇಕು and which will play a very important role in this chapter, I'll tell you. Okay? I'm sorry guys, I would fall now. Okay? Acids, bases and salts. So acids, bases ಮತ್ತೆ salts ದಿಂದ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ರೋಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, which will play a very very important role, I tell you, and you should not miss those questions. If you people are thinking to miss those questions, then you are going to score very less marks in your exams. So make sure you people will not miss those questions from at any cost. Okay, at any cost you are going to miss those questions. Okay, acid base is the first you are going to listen about the indicators. Indicators ಬಗ್ಗೆ perfect ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ. Indicators ಕೆಲಸ ಏನು? Phenolphthalein indicator, methyl indicator, methyl orange indicator and phenolphthalein indicator, that plays a very important roles or no. Okay, indicators ಕೆಲಸ ಏನು? That indicators ಅಂದ್ರೆ you people will even get the litmus paper. Okay, litmus paper ಬಗ್ಗೆನೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, it means in a simple way. Okay, in simple way what you should remember here is, here indicators ಮತ್ತೆ ಲಿಟ್ಮಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನೀವು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ compound that it is acid or it is going to be base. Clear everyone? Done? Whether it is going to be acid or whether it is going to be base anta consider ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Done na? That is identification of a acid or identification of a base. Clear? Volume is not audible properly. Now it is audible properly appa? I don't know guys, there is some problem here. ಯಾಕಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಆಡಿಬಲ್ ಇದೆನಾ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ? ಓ audible properly now to everyone? I have tried to adjust the mic here. Hope so I am audible properly now. Yes, perfect. Yes, so next concept yaad important agutte, that is pH values. So if in case if you are thinking like a pH values, if it is 7 it is going to be neutral, okay, less than 7 it will be acidic in nature, right, acidic in nature, and more than 7 it will be what, basic in nature. Clear? This at least everyone knows it. This is very important. pH value bada important part madutte, and this type of questions will be asked for you people. Short agi acids bases salts inda ee questions 100% sigutte nimage. Clear? Less than 7 means acid and more than 7 means it is going to be base. Clear? Done? Done, na? Very good, very good. Clear? Illi tanaka tilidira pH value important ide, indicators bada important play madutte, and now important chemical compounds. Chemical bonds. What are the chemical bonds? Like plaster of POP, plaster of Paris, and even baking soda. So ಯೂತ್ರದೆಲ್ಲ ಭಾಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ 100% ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, pH 1 question fixed, ma'am. Yes, that is question is fixed up. Fixed question, that is important chemicals, that is baking soda, POP, ella aitu. And then very important concept, that is reaction and the salts. Clear? Very important concept, that is reaction, salts and the neutralization reaction. Okay, that is actually neutralization reaction. Clear? Reaction means how it is going to be. Acid is going to react with the metal, then what will form? Acid will react with the base, then what it will form? Acid will react with the non-metals, then what will happen? If it is reacting with the base, then there will be no reaction. So, ee chemical reactions bada important. Clear? Yes, fixed question barutte salt mele vandu. Okay? Clear? Done everyone? So, this concept you should not miss. Ee concepts ee chapter inda vattu miss madbardu. Aita? Clear everyone? Done? Understood? No? Perfect? No? Chemistry is difficult, no appa, it's not difficult. You will study properly, then everything will be fine, appa. Everything will be fine. If you people will study properly, everything will go fine. Okay, don't worry about it. How many questions from this chapter, ma'am? We will discuss that also. In salt, we can read only POP and baking soda. Yes, Ammu, actually, most probably they will ask the questions from the baking soda and plaster of Paris itself. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿರೋದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಪಿ ಒ ಪಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತು ಬೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಸೋಡಾ ಮೇಲೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಈ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ ಅಂತ, ಆಯಿತಾ? Hi, good evening, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am, to attend your class late. No problem, appa. No problem. I think you might be having your school, no? So it might be become late. Tips to make chemistry easy. Give me, Shivani. Easy andre kuntu baribekamma. Alla reactions anna eshtu kuntu baritiyalla ashtu easy agutte chapters. Okay? Done? So this is perfect, everyone. Let's go for the next part now. We are going to sit and solve some questions also related to this chapter now. First question try ಮಾಡಿ. The chemical equation that represents neutralization reaction among the following is. So which will, ಯಾವ chemical, 4 chemical reaction ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, which will actually give us the neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ understand ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, right? I will only tell you people what is a neutralization reaction if you want it. Whenever the acid plus base both will react together to form a salt plus any of the compound, you can just take, you can just leave that, we can just tell it salt. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? This was actually called as a neutralization reaction, right? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? Neutralization reaction ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Clear? So ಈ neutralization reaction ಏನು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ 4 ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ neutralization reaction ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, which is actually becoming a neutralization reaction? Come on, tell me. Use of a salt and the formula are very important. Yes, I am telling you people 1 marks 2 marks questions only. Let us discuss first 1 marks questions so that you will be perfect, right? You will be perfect, no? Right? Come on, try this, answer these questions, everyone. NaOH is a base. Yes, I know NaOH is a base. BaCl2 plus H2SO4 will give us BaSO4 plus 2HCl. See, MnO2 plus 4HCl give us MnCl2 plus 2H2O plus Cl2. Then afterwards 2NaOH plus H2SO4 Na2SO4 plus 2H2O. Last option is AgNO3 plus CHCl gives us AgCl plus HNO3. I am the first time watching your class. Oh, Shivani, thank you so much. You are watching my class first time. That's very nice, Amma. Ma'am, I need to score 625 out of 625. Very good. That's the spirit. Very good that you need to keep your spirit like this only. You are surely going to receive good marks in your coming exams, and you need to sit little and study and practice a little to score that much of marks. Okay? I think Sina. Guys, they have told which chemical reaction represent the neutralization reaction among the following. Neutralization reaction andre enu, ಒಂದು ಬೇಸು ಒಂದು ಆಸಿಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಬೇಸು ಮತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಆಸಿಡ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಏನೋ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕಮ್ ಆನ್. So option C will be the correct answer. That is acid, that is H2SO4 will react with the base, that is NaOH, to form a salt plus water. ಏನು produce ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ? It's producing a salt plus water. Very good. So now NaOH, whenever I told this OH is present, that will be base. So you identified the base now, then acid is going to be what? H2SO4. Clear? So easy identify ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು which is going to be base. right? That is what you need to use your brains like that. Smart work you should do. ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀವು ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ MCQದಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು MCQದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಳ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಭಾಳ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. ಬೈ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದೋಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅದ್ರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ MCQದಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೋಬಾರ್ದು. MCQನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಥರ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ತೀತಾ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗಿವನ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ 4 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಆ 4 ಆಪ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ಲಿ and you need to solve the questions of those. Okay, we are also scoring board examination. Yes, Shavir, you are also going to score. Shantivir, everyone needs to score. Whoever is listening to the class, ellaru score ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆಯ್ತಾ. Next question try ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. That is, has the pH value of the neutral solution increases? Has the pH value of the neutral solution increases. Neutral solution of a pH value, if it is going to increase, then first option is basic property is going to decrease and number of OH ions is going to increase. So basic property ಏನದಲ್ಲ decrease ಆಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ and number of the OH minus ions means OH minus ions ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ions decrease ಆಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. They all will start increasing. Clear? Done? Next question they have asked is about acidic property will increase and the number of H plus I decreases. So ಯಾವಾಗ acidic ಇದೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ. ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಬರೆದು ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. acidic ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನು, acidic then and basic then. What is a basic and what is going to be a acidic? So if in case it is acidic, more H plus ions. If it is going to be a basic, then it is going to be what? More OH minus ions. This much you remember. Remaining things you will get to know the answers here itself. Everyone needs to answer the question now. Don't run and go whenever I ask the questions, everyone. Please make sure you people will answer the questions properly. Come on, try this question now. Try. First try. Option C is the correct answer. Ma'am, C but not for. Why winner? You need to be confirming. No, it's very easy question. I have already explained it also for you people. Explanation annu kottidinallappa. Explanation anna kottidene. Try ಮಾಡಿ ಅದೇ ತರ. I repeated OH minus 2 times. Basic property ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ increase ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎದಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸಾರಿ. So option which will be correct? C, that is higher the pH means more OH ions and it is going to be the more basic in nature. As we know that if it is going to be more than 7, it will be what? It will be more basic, right? 7 ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು will be acidic ಇರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ. 7 ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ basic ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Simple, right? ಈ ತರ questions ಅನ್ನು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, everyone answered it very perfectly. Now let us go for the next question. Who will answer it? Let's see. Okay, now a compound that reacts with both acids as well as bases to produce the salts and the water. Okay, ಯಾವ compound ಇದೆ ಅದು that will actually react both. ಯಾವ್ದು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? both acids and even as well as a basis. Okay, even as well as a basis to produce the salt and water. To produce the salt and water is aluminum oxide, copper oxide, iron oxide, sodium oxide. Come on, try this question now. Let's see how you people will think about it. Very good, Miracle. Did you join the WhatsApp group? That's very good. If you people have still not joined the WhatsApp channel still, it's there in the description of this video itself. Go and join it very fast. very fast ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅನ್ನ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ನಾಳೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಎನಿವನ್. Come on. We have still 4 more MCQs. We need to solve still 4 more MCQs. This Q has come for FA2. FA2 question ಬಂದಿತ್ತಾ ಇದು? The compound that reacts with both acid ಜೊತೆನೂ react ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ and base ಜೊತೆನೂ react ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, and it will produce salt produce ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ water ಅನ್ನು produce ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Come on, try. Aluminum oxide, copper oxide and iron oxide. Which option will be correct answer? Option A na? Whether it is option A, option D, okay. Vaj, you are doing little bit mistakes in the MCQs, no? That time you just concentrate, okay? Read in properly. Hari Krishnan also D. Let's see which is the correct answer. Option A will be the correct answer. That which was answered by Vinaya. That is aluminium oxide is going to be atmospheric in nature. For that purpose, that is aluminium oxide, first option, is going to react with aluminum, that is actually called as a AlO2, is also going to react with the acid also. It is also going to react with the base also, and it will produce, what are the products which will produce? Salt, and it is going to produce a water. Done. You can call me Dino Antonomy Saldan. Oh my god, such a big name, yaar. Give me some short name, no, so that I can remember it. I can't remember this. I'll forget it within 2 minutes only. Okay. Next question try ಮಾಡಿ. The gas liberated when the sodium carbonate, ಯಾವಾಗ sodium carbonate NaCO3 ಅನ್ನ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಡೈಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಕ್ಲೋರಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಜೊತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಕಾರ್ಬೋನೇಟ್ sodium carbonate, okay, whenever sodium carbonate is getting reacted with dilute HCl, okay, ಏನನ್ನ produce ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? Whether it is going to produce a carbon dioxide or nitrogen dioxide or hydrogen or chlorine. What is the product which is going to produce? What is the product which are going to be producing? Come on. Okay, antonymy. Okay, that's good, cool. Antony. Okay, Antony. I can remember this Antony. ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಮೂವಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಮೂವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಟೋನಿ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಹೆಸರಿತ್ತು. ನೈಸ್ ನೇಮ್ ಯಾರ್, ಯೂನಿಕ್ ನೇಮ್. ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್. ಎಸ್, ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಟೋನಿ ನೇಮ್. ಗುಡ್ ನೇಮ್ ಬೈ ದ ವೇ. ನಾವ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್. ಓಕೆ, come on, try this question everyone. So carbon dioxide produce ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ, ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ, ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಸೊ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡು. Carbon dioxide produce ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ? Yes, metal carbonate. This is the metal carbonate. It will react with the acid metal carbonate. Whenever metal carbonate, ಯಾವಾಗ ಇದು metal carbonate will react with acid. It will react with acid. Is then it is going to produce salt plus CO2 plus salt. Right, done. Informing, so option A will be the correct answer. That is CO2 is being produced. My first name is Dino, but people call me Anthony for a reason. Oh, nice. Voice is breaking again, Vinay. Please adjust up. I don't know what's the problem actually here today. I don't know, even the buffering is happening, even the voice breaking is happening. Is it a problem of a YouTube or a studio? I don't know. Yes, Hari Krishna, I know that. Next question try ಮಾಡಿ. The substances that converts blue litmus paper into the red color is. So ಈ type of questions ಬಹಳ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ acids bases ಇಂದ MCQ ದಲ್ಲಿ. So ಯಾವ ಕಂಪೌಂಡು, ಯಾವ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪೌಂಡು ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ increase means they are telling like they are asking like whether it is going to acid in the base ದೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬೇಸ್ ದಿಂದ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ತರ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Yes, Padmini Kulkarni, voice is breaking. I think so, mic problem. I think it's a mic problem, guys. Little bit adjust. Okay, try out this question. They have asked the substances which is going to convert the blue litmus paper into the red. Blue litmus paper into the red. Option A is lime water, pure water, sodium hydroxide solution and gastric juice. Option D ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ? Yes, now I'm audible properly, guys. Option D ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ? Now it's clear, huh? Perfect. Option D is the correct answer. That is gastric juice contains the hydrochloric acid. Gastric juice ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟಮಕ್ದಲ್ಲಿ HCl gas ಇದೆ, HCl acid ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. Then you people don't think like HCl gas is concentrated HCl gas is present in our stomach. No guys, it's not concentrated acidic. If it was present, then our stomach would be having a holes right now. So it's not there holes. Then it is like it's not a concentrated one. Just a diluted one HCl will be present in it. Okay. Yes, very good Vahaja. So Vahaja has improved himself from starting in the ಈಗಿನ ತನಕ full improvement ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ. He has told the correct answer. Very good. Perfect. Okay, done. So last question, that is an acid present in the stinging hair of a nettle of a plant leaves is. An acid which is actually present in the stinging hair of a nettle plant leaves is. Nettle plant leaves is. My first is going to be methanoic acid, oxalic acid, citric acid, lactic acid. Come on. Yes, otherwise our stomach will burn, Anthony. Perfect. Correct, you told me. If with a concentrated HCl would be present in our stomach, no, avag nam burn akontirtittu. Yeah, you people have seen, I'll draw that person, okay? See, I have seen that. Eno advertisement nalli toorstar gotta, Eno advertisement nalli ee tara fire emoji person ana, they will show no this type of fire emoji person ana toorstaralla. I don't remember, you people are known him or no. Okay, like this one fire emoji person will be present, who has the hand and legs also obviously. Did you people see this person? Yaradru nodidara ee huduganana? He will be burning like this. What is there in that to get confused? Nothing is there in that to get confused here. Okay? Don't get confused. So, an acid which is present in stinging hair of a nettle plant leaves. First, you understand confusion eduk madkobardu anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಕೇಳಿ. Methanoic acid, let's see whether it is correct or no. So acid enidella present in the stinging hair. Stinging hair andre enappa anta first nodkobeku aita. Once you see that stinging hair of a nettle plant leaves dalli stinging hair tu yen barutte, like it is going to be a methanoic acid or oxalic acid, citric acid or lactic acid. Just you remember stinging hair matte nettle plant leaves, whether it is going to be acidic or is it going to be basic anta first ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೊಂದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? ಡನ್ನಾ? That is going to be the option A, methanoic acid itself. The nettle sting contains the methanoic, that is also called as a formic acid. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? Formic acid ಅಂತಾರೂ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. And one more thing I will tell you, best way to remember this is, we have already in our school, okay, in our school NCERT book ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ already ಒಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಲೆಮನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, like one box only they have given it. Okay. Anthony, my diagram confused you. Such a cute diagram. Who is this? Whom will keep the name? Come on, keep the name for him. Let's see. Please come, keep a unique name for him. Unique name. What we can keep him the name? What we can keep him the name, by the way, so that we can bring him every time whenever you people are going to get confused in the classes. So ಯಾವಾಗ confusion ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇವನ ಹೆಸರು ಇಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನ ಹೆಸರು ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Who is this person name? What will keep his name? Confusion person. Confusion person anta idana. Vinaya. Pritam. See Vinay is telling. He is telling Vinay. Cute fire. Cute fire. Basuna. No. Rocky. No. Vinay. No yaar. Why Vinay? Papa Vinay. Come on. No. Keep one nice name. Vinay. Vinaya is telling Vinay. Vinaya Pai. No, Amma. Something unique type of a name. Who don't know that name only? We never heard that name only, like that. Ruby. Okay, Ruby is nice. Okay, let's vote for Ruby. Is it good, everyone? Can we keep the name as a Ruby? But I think we can do the gender here. Like, this is a boy actually. Ruby means actually it's a girl, right? But it doesn't have any ears also, guys. It doesn't have even ears. Ears are not there. Chotuna. Pocky fire. Oh, yeah. Pocky fire, we can keep it actually. Yes. Perfect. We can keep it as a pocky fire. And I can draw the pocky also symbol here, right? I can draw here pocky symbol also. Nice, no? Is it looking, everyone? Is it fine? Me too, fire. Carbinana, fireman. Fireman, it will become like a Spider-Man. Frizz. Okay, frizz. Broly. What is broly? Broccoli will keep, or broccoli. See, it has actually become like a now cutie pie, right? So this what we will keep the name now? Come on, tell. Chotuna. Someone tell me one name, yaar. What is it? I forgot the name of that. Pocky fire we can keep. Goka. What is Goka? Hey, yes, that is going to be pocky fire. Enappa agutte Pocky fire. Done. Perfect name na? Pocky fire rated to be? Okay, perfect. So whenever we are going to get confused, we are going to bring our new introduced person. That is going to be a pocky fire. Clear? So yavag nama confusion aguttalla avag ನಾವು pocky fire na ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡೋಣ class ನಲ್ಲಿ, so that our confusion will be removed by a pocky fire. Okay? Clear, everyone? Done. Let's go to the next question now. So these are the type of questions. Let's go for the 2 marks questions now. 2 marks questions na hogo na. Before that, one question you people can try now here. Before we go for that, this you people try. That is, acid should be added to the water, not water should be added to the acid, because it is. The acid should be added in the acid and a water dalli haakbeka, and water and acid dalli haakbeka. Come on, tell me. Acid and a water dalli haakbeka, water and acid dalli haakbeka. Pocky fire frizz only I have kept up, huh? Did I keep that only? Oh, pocky frizz fire and title. Okay, we'll keep it as pocky frizz. Perfect. Acid to the water. Yes, Preetham, that's correct. So we are going to add a acid into the water. We are not going to add a water into the acid. So acid in a water dalli haakteve slowly by stirring it. That is actually called as what? That is actually called as the correct process of adding the dilute process madlikke adu correct process. So, right. The first option they have given it exothermic and maybe explode. Endothermic and maybe explode. It does not mixes very slowly. So the option A will be the correct answer. That is going to be adding the acid to the water will prevent the overheating, and it is not going to splash. It is not going to flash. Flash means what? If in case you are going to add acid nalli direct and water hakibitre, it will split. It might become blast also if it is the acid is going to be concentrated one, right? So akasmat acid concentrated idre neer hakibitre sudden agi it will blast. Same ade tara ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಯಾವಾಗಾದರೂ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಬಜ್ಜಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಆಯಿಲಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಪುರಿ ಬಜ್ಜಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಫುಲ್ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಫುಲ್ ಬರ್ನ್ ಬಿಸಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಯಿಲ್ ಫುಲ್ ಬಿಸಿ ಆಗಿ ಟೈಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗು ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀರು ಡ್ರಾಪನ್ನು ಹಾಕು. ಆಯಿಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ರೈಟ್. ಏನು ಆವಾಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಆವಾಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಆವಾಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತದು? ಯಾಕೆ? ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಬರ್ನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀರು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದರೆ ಚುಕ್ ಅಂತ ಆವಾಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ನಾವು ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿದರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ನಮಗೂ ಬರೋದು. ಸೊ ಅದರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಮೇಕ್ ಶ್ಯೂರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ವಾಟರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ್, ನಾಟ್ ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್. ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಸಿಡನ್ನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, ನಾಟ್ ದ ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟರನ್ನು. ಆಯಿತಾ? What is this nostalgic moment in your life. By the way, what is the word of nostalgic? What is the meaning of the nostalgic, by the way? Please tell me the meaning of it. Still, I am adjusting with the words which you people are using it. You people have become so expert, guys. What is the meaning of nostalgic? What is a nostalgic actually? Acid that will by drop into the water. Yes, perfect. That is how it's going to be producing. Then, okay, then let's go for the next question. What is neutralization reaction? Where the acid and base will react together to form a salt is actually called as a neutralization reaction. Okay. What is the thermic reaction? Yes, Padma. Thermic reaction. Okay. If we will get, then I'll answer it. Okay. Next, what is the, plaster of Paris should be stored in the moisture-proof container. Give the scientific reason. Why? Because it should be converted into the gypsum. Because plaster of Paris will absorb all the moisture and it will get converted to the gypsum. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಇದು ಹೋಗಿ ಮಾಯಿಶ್ಚರ್ ಜೊತೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಜಿಮ್ಸನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇಫ್ ಜಿಮ್ಸನ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ POP ನಮಗೇನು ಯೂಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಅದರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ಆಯಿತಾ? ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್. ಡನ್? Ma'am, you just got a pocky frizz with the acid water. Okay. Remembrance means what, guys? I'm not understanding that. Moisture means what? Moisture means it's like how can I tell you? Moisture little amount. ಕಡಿಮೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀರು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಮ್ಯಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಾಸಿ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಂದಿಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸಾಸಿ ಬೇಕಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀರು ಉಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಯಿಶ್ಚರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬೋದು, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗಿ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಂದಿಗೆ ಡ್ರೈ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಗಿ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಡ್ರೈ ಬೈ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಮೋರ್ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ ಟು ಇಟ್, ರೈಟ್? I want to eat Maggi now, guys. Why did you people remember me that? Anyone wants to eat Maggi? I just love Maggi. Anyone loves Maggi? Yes, water droplets. Correct. Next question. What are amphoteric oxides? Padvini Kulkarni. Yes, you also like Maggi, Amma. Even I like. Now, who has remembered me Maggi? Wait, let me see who has remembered me Maggi, by the way. Moisture means what, ma'am? Preetham's work it is. Preetham made me to remember Maggi now. I gave the example because of Preetham. Preetham, you need to prepare a Maggi and give me. You will stick to your strict diet? Oh my God. You are maintaining the diet, by the way, guys. Hari Krishna is eating Maggi without me. Very good. Like that. Nostalgic means the sad things which I can remember from my school time. Yes, I can remember many of the school time things. I don't know, it will be applicable to your school times or no, because my school time was almost 10 years back. Almost 10 years back I was studying in the school. I think most probably it can. I'll tell you one very interesting story about my school time. My name is Prithviraj. Yes, Prithviraj. Ma'am, what is acid rain? Acid rain andre enappa vaja? It's like the acid content will be more in it. Like example, I'll tell you, Delhi dalla acid rain agutte. Actually, usually acid rain aad takshana, it's not like your body dalli bin takshana full acid alla burn aguttanta. It's not like that. The percentage of the chemicals will be more in that compared to the other chemicals. Okay, harmful chemicals ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ನೀರದಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, noise is not clear. Vinay, for me Maggi in image, you're going to give me the Maggi in the image. Okay, my story you people want to listen? What I will tell you story, guys, my story is very different things only in the school. School nalli, I used to always like, I should not study much, okay? I used to not at all study much. That is ramen. Yes, sir, that is a ramen actually. I don't like ramen. Anyone has tried ramen, by the way? You know, I will tell you best one actually incident had happened in my home. Okay, my brother is there, one small brother. Small brother means he is 26 already, but also 25 already. I'll tell him as a small brother only for me. So that brother, what he did is actually he prepared a Maggi. He wanted to try a Korean Maggi. Okay, everyone knows the Korean Maggi. In between, no, in Instagram it had become so famous, so much famous. Okay, Korean Maggi itella full famous ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು. ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ, that one spoon ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳ್ಳುಳ್ಳಿ ಹಾಕೋದು, garlic we need to put it, and little amount of oil, garlic we need to boil, means we need to burn it like till it becomes brown. Okay, till it becomes brown, and then in that we need to have a chili powder, salt and everything we need to add it, and that we need to put it inside the Maggi while it is getting cooked. Okay, while it is getting, that is a recipe actually I'm telling you about the Korean Maggi. Korean Maggi, it's not like, it's a garlic Maggi if a simple way. Okay, that it's literally my mouth is watering right now. So that thing, what actually happened is my brother was doing it. Okay, he was doing it till now. What happened, you know, that garlic which is present, no, that oil, once now I just gave you people the example. An example ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು, ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕಬಾರ್ದು, ರೈಟ್? ಆಯಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಬರ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಆಯಿಲ್ ಫುಲ್ ಬಿಸಿ ಇದೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಹಾಕಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಯಿಲ್ ಫ್ಲಾಶ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೇಮ್ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಆಸಿಡ್ದಲ್ಲಿನಪ್ಪ, ಆಸಿಡ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ನೀವು ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀರು ಹಾಕಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಬ್ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ಲಾಸ್ಟ್, ರೈಟ್? ನನ್ನ ತಮ್ಮನಿಗೂ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿ ಡಿಡ್ ಇಸ್, ಆಯಿಲ್ ಇದೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ, ಬೆಳ್ಳುಳ್ಳಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಜಜ್ಜಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಸಿ ಇದೆ, ನೀರಿದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ, ಆ ಬೆಳ್ಳುಳ್ಳಿನ ತಗೋದು ಆ ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವಾಟರ್ ಮಾಯ್ಶ್ಚರ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಐ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್, ಯು ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಮಾಯ್ಶ್ಚರ್. ಸೊ ಆ ಮಾಯ್ಶ್ಚರ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೆಳ್ಳುಳ್ಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಆ ಮಾಯ್ಶ್ಚರ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟನ್ನು ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಇಟ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಾಶ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಔಟ್. ಸೊ ಹೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಬರ್ನ್ಡ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಸೊ after that, no, he has never prepared Maggi. He never prepared Maggi, you know. So for that purpose, he felt very bad. After that, he never prepared. Because of that, I am not able to eat now garlic Maggi also. But surely, I will tell you today, I will go and prepare Maggi and eat. Tomorrow, everyone come and ask me that I prepared Maggi or no. Okay, let's stop the Maggi thing now. So we'll concentrate on the next question. Why? Because Vaja is telling us, giving us the remembrance that we need to sit and study right now, not about the discussion about the Maggis now. Okay, so concentrate on the classes right now. So let's give the fun things aside. Let's concentrate on the studies now. Okay, what are amphoteric oxides? So either amphoteric question amphoteric oxides no bahಳ ಸಲ question ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. This question is actually very very important. Amphoteric oxides bahಳ ಸಲ ಈ question repeat ಆಗಿದೆ. Okay, what is that? That is going to be amphoteric oxides, means oxides that react with both. ಎದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಬೋತ್. ಆಸಿಡ್ ಜೊತೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಬೇಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಆಂಫೋಟರಿಕ್ ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ಸ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? Done. Next, can detergents be used to detect the permanent hardness of the water? Detergents use ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದಾ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ whether it is going to be a permanent hardness of the water? ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಟರ್ಜೆಂಟನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದಾ ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್? ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ. ಡಿಟರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ದ ಸ್ಕಮ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ and the magnesium ions. It's not possible for the water to detergent decide ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ whether the water is going to be hard or whether the water is going to be soft. Clear? Done? Understood everyone? No other option. Hell number. He will number. Ma'am, we will get this question in the PDF, right? Too. Yes, in the PDF you are going to get this question. The same PDF will be uploaded, guys. Once the class is done, no, same PDF will be uploaded. Okay? In the description. Just now I shown you people know how you can download the description alli hege download ಮಾಡ್ಕೋದು ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ತರ ಹೋಗಿ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. And from tomorrow onwards you are going to get your assignments also. Tomorrow's first assignment, first chapter ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, chemical reactions equation ಮೇಲೆ. So ಅದು ಮತ್ತೆ social science ದು ಯಾವ್ದಿರುತ್ತೆ, history first chapter ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ, means first of all I will do like high weightage chapters of the history. Okay, high weightage chapters of history ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಫಸ್ಟ್. Why? Because that is very very important. Okay, okay ma'am, got it? Very good. Everyone has got it perfectly then. So make sure you don't forget to means you should join the WhatsApp channel, then only you people can get those questions. WhatsApp channel ನೋಡಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, and the link will be provided in the shorts also and the videos also, so that you can click on it and you people can easily get that PDF. Done? Yes, it is from the LBA based questions only, Amma. Okay, this is based on the LBA based questions only. Now, name the ions responsible for the acidic and basic nature of the substances. That is, acidic nature means what? H plus. Just now we have discussed acidic means what? More H plus ions. If it is going to be basic, then it is going to be more OH minus ions. Clear? Done? These were discussed in the class today. These were discussed in the class today? Yes, these are discussing in the class today. What is that English? You are talking about the past tense, future tense or present tense. See, ma'am is even teaching English, guys. Acid means H plus and base means OH. Very good, Shatvira. Done? So, these types of questions. Next question, how is concentrated acid has been diluted, or what? The questions will be asked like 1 ml of acetic acid. So, what will be the answer here? That is, sodium acetate is going to be formed in the basic in nature. Okay, it's actually basic in nature. Why? Because it is a salt of a weak acid and a strong base. Clear? It is actually salt idella. The salt which has been produced, no, that is actually coming from the weak acid and a strong base. That is actually coming from the weak acid and from the strong base. Done? Done. Vinaya. Pai. School. Which school? Which school we will go now? What is the acid? You people know already. How do you detect the acid with the litmus paper? You got to know already. How you are going to decide it? With the acid turns blue litmus paper to the red. If in case acid is going to turn blue litmus paper to the red, acid is turning blue litmus paper to the red. That is abracadabra. Abracadabra. It is going to be what? Acid will turn blue litmus paper to the red. That is actually called as an acidic in nature. BRB. You should remember what? One more. That is BRB. So, what is going to be the work of BRB now? BRB base. Base will turn red litmus paper to the blue. If in case it is a basic in nature, then base will turn red litmus paper to the red litmus paper to the blue. That is actually called as a basic in nature. Done? Done? Okay, next type of questions will be asked like, yes, what is the ion formed when an acid dissolves in the water, or what happens as the number of the hydroxide ions in the solution is going to increase. So, if the solution becomes more basic, then that time the number of the hydroxide ions in the solution is going to increase. Hydroxide ion, OH ion, so increase if in case it is going to be a basic in nature. As we know already, if it is acidic, it is going to be a more H plus ions, and basic idre OH minus ions jasti irate. Clear? Ma'am, I was telling the question were discussed in school today. It got sent before I was able to write in the school. So, you are so talented, ma'am. Oh, thank you so much. Vinay. Okay, that's good, no? Discussed in school today, it sent before I able to write in the school. No problem. In this, all the answers are also present. You can refer this PDF also for your notes purpose. Okay? Hari Krishna, nan 10th percentage. Illappa. That can't be disclosed, it seems. If it is, they will give me the permission, then I'll disclose you in front of you. Okay? Hari Krishna, first you score good marks in the 10th maths, then I'll come and tell you. Okay? I'll come and tell you separately. Done? Okay, give scientific reason why diluting an acid, the acid should be added to the water. Yes, because dilution of an acid is actually going to call it as an exothermic reaction. So, adding the acid to the water will prevent the smashing on the burns. Clear? Done? So, such type of questions will be asked, guys. So, we have discussed lots of questions of this chapter, and I have added a lots of questions also for you people. So, next chapter we are going to go for the metals and non-metals, and last chapter is going to be carbon and its compounds. Clear? Who is your HM? What is the meaning of HM, by the way? Ma'am, please tell your 10th percentage. I will tell Pa. When you people will do that, I will tell. pH value is less than 5.6. Yes, if it is that is going to be acidic. Ma'am, your skin is so good. What skincare do you follow? Shivani, I don't follow any skincare actually. I will not do anything, guys. Seriously, my dark circles have increased so badly that I don't do anything. You people only give me skin routine now. So, please give me some skincare routines so that I can follow it and become little bit more glowy. Okay? I should become glowy, no? I should look like a panda, white panda, right? So, give me some things. 。  . 。  . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 。 . Give me, give me. My name is Smita. Okay, hi Smita. You can do diet. You smile, ma'am. That's so beautiful. Okay, I smile, then only it is beautiful. Okay, hope so everyone would tell me that if I smile, then I look beautiful, anta. I can do that. Yeah, kappa, Shantivir. Then kushi in the Smita. Smita, if I eat something nicely, then you don't look like I should not eat. I really need to do diet, guys. Do I look very fat? Do I really look like a fat, guys? Why you people are telling me to do diet? Huh? Very bad, huh? Very bad. I thought now I will go and prepare Maggie and eat. Yes, that's a good option actually. You know, I have seen so many of you, so many of the students, so many of the actors who is actually applying the ice cubes on their face. You know, I seen Deepika Padukone and then I saw Priyanka Chopra. So those all celebrities will actually apply ice on their skin to make it glow actually, right? So even I need to try, right? So even the makeup people, anyone will do some makeup for the big means heroines and heroes and all, no? So ಅವರೆಲ್ಲನೂ actually ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ice packs ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು, ice ಅನ್ನು ತಿಕ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಮುಖಗಂತ. Is it correct? Did you people try any time? I think many people will do that, then I might feel like it might work. So let's see, let's try. I will also try once. It removes the acne na. I don't have any acne actually, if I tell you then. If I take a steam, then it will glow. Oh, that's nice, yeah. Even Baswaraj sir was telling me, like, if you take a steam, then your face will become more glow. I think I should ask for sir also now, because he does that, you know, he does that. Ma'am, take steam, you look like you are 20 or 22. Okay, everyone guess my age. What is my age? Let's see. What might be my age? Everyone guess. You always do. Okay, let me try then. Let me also try by applying a... Which haircut is mine? I don't know, yaar. I just went to the parlor. Sorry, actually beauty... No, it's not like a parlor. It's like a salon. I went to the salon and they told them like on my face which haircut will suit, and they just did this haircut. Okay, 28. Hari Krishna is telling 28. Do I really look like 31, guys? Do I really look like 31? Someone is telling 25, someone is telling 28 to 31, okay. Do I really look 31, guys? Do I look so old? Do I look so old? 31, nah? No, guys, I'm not 31. Please don't remove mine so badly also. Ish tagitidaru, ish tease madbardu. 2022. ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ನನಗೀಗ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು 10 seconds. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು 10 seconds. ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ. one student has told it correct. Let me see. Yallamma is telling let's see who is correct. One student has told it correct actually. No one is telling correct. Before one had told. I'm just waiting who is going to tell it again. No, you people are nearer actually. Who is telling 28? No, they are actually near little bit. You look like a baby, ma'am. So cute. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, someone has told correct. Hari Krishna. Oh, Vinaya, see. So much brain you people are using. Huh? I just told that my brother is 25 or 26, then it will be... Okay, Hari Krishna is correct actually. I am 27. Very good. Nice guess. Rehan, do I look like 45? Are you serious? I am 27, guys. I am 27. Don't worry. Okay, perfect. Let's leave my date now. Let's start with the metals and non-metals now. Okay, so metals and non-metals, the first questions which they are there, that is which of the following pairs will cause the displacement reaction? Yavudu torsate displacement reaction nu. So displacement reaction means already you people know, learned it in the first lesson itself, right? You have already studied about the first lesson. First question is going to be, that is yavudappa torsate displacement reaction. First option is going to be NaCl solution and copper metal, MgCl2 solution and aluminium metal, FeSO4 solution and silver metal, and AgNO3 solution and copper metal. Come on, try to answer the first question first. First question first. Wait, what happened? What happened? Nothing happened to anyone. You just came, Anjali, from the tuition. No problem, Anjali. You can just listen to the last 2 chapters also, okay? First 2 chapters which are present, that you later on you listen. You can just listen to the remaining 2 chapters now. Metals and non-metals and carbon and compounds. You add through the questions in a discuss madilla. You discuss ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. You can concentrate there, okay? Hi, Rajashri. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾ? ಏನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ? ಕನ್ನಡ questions ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ because it is completely based on the English medium students SSLC. Clear? Okay, ma'am. Okay, Rajashri. Done. Very good. Option D will be the correct answer. That is AgNO3 solution and the copper metal. Why? Because copper is going to be more reactive compared to the silver. For that purpose, that displaces the silver. What is it will do? It will displace the... It's going to displace the silver from the silver nitrate solution. It's going to displace the... It is going to displace the silver from the silver nitrate solution. Done. Silver nitrate solution. Clear? Next question. Which of the following methods are suitable for preventing the rusting of a iron tawa pan? Applying the grease, painting, coating with the zinc, all of the above. That will be option will be correct. What? Option D, all of the above. If you grease, if you paint, galvanization process madidronu, that all process will prevent them from the rusting. Clear? Now, next question. Come on, try these questions now. You are height. Ma'am, your height. Now we will discuss about the height. No. Now we will not discuss about the height. Last, after this chapter, we will discuss about my height. What you people will do of my height, by the way? Come on, try these questions now. Third and fourth, both the questions try. Try both the questions, everyone. Come on, try everyone, both the questions. I'll just drink some water till then. Ma'am, A. Second one is option A. So both the questions are going to treat as option A itself. Is it correct? Is it correct, guys? Pakka correct? A correct. When class started, Anjali, class started at 4 o'clock itself. Okay. So which options will be correct? Option D, that is zinc is less reactive than the tin. Why? Because zinc is going to be less reactive than the tin. Why? Food cans are actually coated up with the tin and not with the copper. Reason is zinc is actually kadame react agate food jode compared to the tin. Clear? Compared to the tin. Done? Done. Next, the gas released when the metals react with the acids. That is going to be H2, CO2, SO2 and NO2. The answer will be H2, that is metal plus acid is going to give us salt plus hydrogen gas. ಏನು produce ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? Salt plus hydrogen gas produce ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Am I audible properly? No? I'm not audible, guys. Am I audible? Yes, perfect, no? Done. Clear? Now okay na? Done. Okay, now a green layer is being formed when the copper reacts with the moist carbon dioxide in the air. That is copper carbonate, copper chloride and copper nitrate. So which will be the correct option? That is going to be the copper carbonate. Why? Because whatever the green layer is being basic in copper carbonate, it is going to form due to the corrosion. Yedrinda produce ಮಾಡುತ್ತದು? They are going to produce according to the corrosion process. Done? Means rusting. Rusting is corrosion. Very simple. Okay. So E type of a questions ಅನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Okay. Next is what are amphoteric oxides? Amphoteric oxides ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Oxides that react with both acids ಮತ್ತೆ base ಜೊತೆ react ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅವಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ amphoteric oxides ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Next, name the two metals that will react highly concentrated in the nitric acid. That will be what? Magnesium and aluminium. Magnesium and aluminium. These are the two compounds. These are the two elements which are going to be producing. These are the two metals. Okay. Yav react ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? Highly it will be reacting with the concentrated nitric acid. Echa jode react agate? It will react with the concentrated nitric acid jode. Done. Next question. Name the good conductors of a heat and the poor conductors of a heat. So which are the poor conductors of a heat and the good conductors of a heat? Good conductors of heat is going to be the metals and bad conductors of heat is going to be the non-metals. And even metals and non-metal difference ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೂ at least 4 to 5 points ಅನ್ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Theta? Okay. How many chapters are done? Almost 3 chapters are going to be done now. Both produces acids and bases. Yes. Now what? Name the good conductors of a heat is done. Name the non-metals that conducts the electricity. Yavadappa conduct ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ electricity? All. Which is the product? Graphite is going to produce the electricity. Then next question, what is ductility? That the property by which the metal can be drawn into the thin wires. Ductility andre ಏನು? Thin wires ದಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. Like copper wire, aluminum wire ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಅವಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? That is actually called as a ductility. Done. Next, what are the ionic compounds? The thermite reaction. Yes, some student had asked me thermite reaction here. Concentrate. The reaction in which the aluminium reduces the iron oxide producing the molten iron and the heat. Please concentrate properly. Someone was asking me what is actually the meaning of a thermite reaction. Thermite reaction andre ಏನಂತ ಯಾರೋ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ನನಗೆ. Please make sure you people have confirmed this. Doubt is clear, everyone? Doubt clear ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಯಾರು ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರಿ ನನಗೆ thermite reaction ಅನ್ನ? ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ ನಾನು, ದ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ದ ಅಲ್ಯೂಮಿನಿಯಂ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಐರನ್ ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಐರನ್ ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಮಾಲ್ಟನ್ ಐರನ್. ಮಾಲ್ಟನ್ ಐರನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಶೇಪ್ ನಾನು ಕಂಟೈನರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಮಾಲ್ಟನ್ ಐರನ್ ಇಂದ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಹೀಟೆಡ್ ಅಪ್. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ, that is actually reaction is actually called as a Thalmite reaction. Clear? Yes, perfect Chantvir, perfect. Next, name the metals that are found in the free state. Free state dalli yavudappa find irutte? That is gold and a silver is going to be present in the free state. We can take it from anywhere, that thing. Clear? And you people know actually I heard one planet is there where they have a diamonds, lots of diamonds are present in it, that sense. Which is that planet? Please tell me. Please tell me. Anyone knows the planet which has lots of diamonds present in it? Come on, tell me. Till then I'll explain the other questions. So what is an alloy? What is an alloy? Alloy andre enappa? That is the homogeneous mixture of a two or a more metals or a metal and a non-metal. Then 27th, name the metals that are found in the free state. The metals which are present in the free state are going to be gold and platinum. Gold and platinum is the products which are going to be present in the free state. Uranus. Is it correct, guys? Let me check once. Even I am not confirmed that which is that planet. Planet which has diamonds in it. Jungsine, it seems, guys. It's a Jungsine. Roughly twice the diameter, then composition, diamond planet, Jungsine anteppa. Golden Uranus, no re. It is not in our galaxy. Okay. Yeah, actually it's not in our galaxy. The diamonds which is producing, no, that is not in our galaxy itself. That's very good. No problem. We'll not go to that. We can't go to that galaxy to go bring the diamonds there, obviously. Right? So these are the 2 marks questions which they will be asking it. Clear? So let's go for the next chapter now. That is going to be the last chapter. So this all questions I will be uploading it right after your class. So please make sure you people will be sitting and studying those things. Okay? Done? So ಈ diagram ಅನ್ನು focus ಮಾಡಿ. This question is also very, very important, guys. Done? So last chapter of the class today, that is carbon and its compounds. Try to answer these questions. First question, that is the valence electrons that an atom of an carbon has in its outermost shell. Present in its outermost shell. The valence electrons that the atom of carbon has in its last valence electron means last orbital dalli ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ valency ಇದೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಪ್ಪ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ fast which will be the correct answer ಯಾವುದು correct answer ಆಗುತ್ತೆ which will be the correct answer 'Which will be the correct answer? Come on, try. Very good. Option 4 is the correct answer. Next, diatomic molecule produced by a formation of a double bond. Which is a diatomic molecule which is going to be produced by the formation of a double bond. Formation of a double bond. Come on. Oh, you are gym bro. You really go to the gym, by the way? Yeah, I am only not able to go to the gym. You people are even going for the gym. Nice, guys. Your schedule is only good than me, no? You people's schedule is only good and better than me, actually. Very much better than me. Very good. Very good. Four. Nine. I am asking second one. Second question, what will be there? Diatomic molecule which is going to be produced by the formation of a double bond. By the formation of a double bond. Try this all questions. So second, that will be oxygen. Double bond yav form say oxygen. Okay. The major component of a biogas is. The major component of a biogas is. Biogas means what you people will remember. What is going to be at the biogas? Third question. Third question. Third question. Fast. Ma'am, I am cooked today. Legged. Leg day is there for you. Nice, nice, yaar. It's nice. I was not knowing that you people are so small and you people go to the gym also. Nice, yaar. You people are maintaining your body now only. That's very cool idea. Okay, come on, try the major component of a biogas is. The major component of a biogas is. It's going to be a methane. In answer bolte methane. Done. Next questions, an unsaturated compounds in which the double bond is being found between the carbon-carbon atom. Which is the double bond which is going to be formed between the carbon-carbon atom. Yavudappa produce ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ carbon-carbon atom dalli. Abhay has made his home as a gym. Oh, that's nice. Bye Anthony, bye Anthony. Ma'am, I made home as a gym. That's very good, Abhay. Nice. What is there actually present in your gym, by the way, in home? So option option fifth question, the answer in baratte. Come on, the unsaturated compound in which the double bond is going to be found between the carbon-carbon atoms. L form baratte carbon-carbon atoms today. Come on, tell. Third one is C, correct. Then now this is the question again. Unsaturated compound in which double bond is formed between the carbon-carbon. Double bond is going to be carbon-carbon, that is going to be the ethane. Then functional group found in the haloalkanes, which is the functional group which is present in the haloalkanes. Yavadu present ide haloalkanes dalli. Which option will be the correct answer for this? Come on, try this question, whether it will be a Cl or Br or OH or CHO or COOH. Functional group. Nanu already mentioned madidene bahala sala functional group yavadu anodu. Very good, Abhay. Very good. Option A will be the correct answer. That is chloride and bromide is going to act like a functional group. It is going to act like a functional group. Clear? So, such type of a questions will be asked for you people. Done. Now, 1 marks question and a concentrate ಮಾಡೋದು. That is, write the electron dot structure of a methane ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Then mention the number of the single bonds or double bonds present in the structure of a C2COOH molecule. So, make sure from this chapter, they will be asking you the structure. Draw a structure. Each chapter in the draw a structure type of a questions will be asked a lot. So, make sure you people will concentrate on the draw a structure type of a questions so that it will be helping you people a lot. Okay? Done. Now, on the fixed questions, make sure you will concentrate on those things properly. Done. In your school, your ma'am had not taught. What she had not taught, Amma Anjali? Write the electron dot structure of a methane type of a questions keltare. Write the structural formula of a ethene molecule. That's what I told you. See, structural formula na keltare. Then name the below given organic compounds. So ella answers na upload madidene already. Done. Next type of a questions, give reason type of a questions also will be asked a lot, like the melting point. Okay, the melting point of a boiling point of a covalent compound are low. Why? Carbon forms the large number of compounds. Yavaglu tilkoli, large number of compounds due to the tetravalency and catenization. Due to the tetravalency and catenization. Clear? Carbon will form the large number of compounds due to the tetravalency and catenization. Due to the tetravalency but the catenization salvagi, carbon will form the large numbers of compounds. Clear? Next, covalent compounds are generally poor conductors of electricity. Why? Because they are poor conductor of electricity. Yakaba covalent because they are not strong like ionic bonding, right? Then, next question. Write the two important factors that can be observed in the carbon. That is, saturated hydrocarbons will contain actually a single bonds, whereas unsaturated compounds are going to have contain a double or a triple bond. Like example, alkanes, alkynes and alkenes. These three general equations, and these three are going to play a very important role in this chapter. Clear? You need to have a knowledge of the general equations of alkanes, alkenes and alkynes question. Then, why it is not taught, Anjali? Why it is not taught for you people? Please tell me. Yakappa kalsila. Then everyone, so the such type of questions will be asked from this chapter. So please make sure you people will be perfect from this questions. Clear? The PDF will be uploaded right after the class. Right after the class, the PDF will be uploaded to you people. Done? So hope so this chapter is all questions are going to be very important place, a very important part in your preparatory 2 exams. Make sure you people will become perfect from this chapters. Done? So till then everyone, see you. Timing is not satisfied. Why timing is not satisfied, appa? It's okay, no problem. Ma'am, please tell the story. Which story I will tell, appa? Data mugita. Ayo, bye. Okay, bye everyone. See you in the next class tomorrow. And make sure you people are going to be focused on the notes. I'm repeating it once again. The notes will be provided in the description. You can go and download the PDF of the most important questions and most repeated questions from that chapter properly, so that it will help you people a lot. Clear? Till then, see you everyone. Bye-bye. See you in the next session.